Okay, got an oven mitt, user manual. There's more stuff in here. Okay, you get measuring spoon. I don't know what this is. Measuring cup. And the hook. When I make bread, I don't use a measuring cup. I like to use a scale, and I just put the bread pan in there, zero it, and then I'll just put my ingredients. We're gonna do 200 grams of water, which is 200 milliliters of water, and we're gonna do 5 grams of yeast. And now we're gonna put 300 grams of flour. I like 3% of salt, so 3% of that amount is going to be 9 grams. A lot of people like 2%, so if you don't like too salty, maybe 6 grams. Okay, I was looking through the recipes that they have, and I noticed something. They all include butter, and milk powder. Seemingly, it looks like there's a lot of milk powder in there. But anyway, my recipe is my own. I didn't get it from here, so hopefully it turns out okay. And it should be some kind of French bread. All right, so let's now put the pan with all the ingredients. And because this is a French bread type, we're gonna follow number 4, French bread. And let's see, and start, and see what happens. And now it starts mixing. Just like that, it's mixing. So it's gonna knead the dough, and it's gonna let it rest, then it's gonna cook it, and we'll see again in 3 hours what happens. All right, so the machine just beeped. So we're gonna see what it looks like. Oh, it's warm. Okay, yes, looks good. Looks good. Yeah, about half the height of the pan, what I expected, because it's a 1-pound loaf, and this makes up to 2-pound loaves. It looks like the edges are not sticking to the pan, which is really good. And now I'm gonna take it out and put it on a cooling rack, and then we'll try it in a little bit. Probably the hook. The hook is in there. There you go. There you go. I have a little bread here. A little 1-pound bread. And that's it. A bit of dough that stayed around the hook. That should be easy to remove and clean. All right, we let it sit for a few minutes. Still warm, but let's see what it looks like. Pretty even crumb. Looks good. Let me try a piece just like that, without butter or anything. Very good. Tastes the same as when I make it fully by hand. A bit of salt. It's as good as it gets. Yeah, it's really, really good. Bottom crust is nice and crispy. Tastes good. So overall, I think it's a good product. It makes really good bread. You just put your ingredients in the pan and just press a button. 3 hours later, you have delicious bread. Very, very good. All right, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I will see you in the next one. Bye, guys.